Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to Choice Options. Am I audible to every one of you? In case yes, then just type yes in the comment box so that I can actually know if I'm audible to you people. So in this session, the session is mostly focused on a tool which we have developed, okay, and how it actually works, okay. I'll be taking few stocks from your side also. You can give me certain stocks or something, and I will just show you how this tool has performed in that particular stock for a while, okay, and I will show you that as well. And after that, before that, uh, I'll be telling you about what my company is actually about, and what in which field we are focused into. As I can already see, many of you are already my clients, okay. uh, yeah, good evening, Arjun sir. Yeah, so there are people who already know us very well, okay. But still, for those people who don't really know us that better, because we have been in this. Yeah, the session is started. Arjun sir, am I not audible to you? Just let me know if I'm audible to you or not. We have just started the session. Okay, I'm audible. Okay. Yeah, fine, fine. And apart from this, I will be giving you a long-term strategy. Okay, once we are done with everything, like once I tell you about the tool, about my company, and after this, I'll be teaching you a fantastic strategy which you can use it for long term. Okay, and which can generate you a good amount of money. Okay, okay. So I'll be teaching you a strategy, long term strategy, which works really good. I myself have been investing in this strategy for a while. Okay, for in last 10 years I've been doing that, and you can also follow the same thing. I'll be teaching you later on. That would be a long term strategy. It's not an intraday strategy, to be clear. And if you want to know everything, then for sure you have to be in the webinar for a while. I won't be allowing any one of you to rejoin, okay? Because there are people I know who would discount, and after some times when I start with my strategy, they would re-login. But I will make sure that whoever re-logins after a while, like half an hour after half an hour, they won't be allowed, okay? So is everyone attentive enough? And if every and I want this session to be bit interactive. So please reply whenever I ask you question. Okay. Okay. So let's start. Do you have any questions right now in the beginning? Fast, everyone, be attentive and comment on the chat box so that I can actually know that if people are highly enthusiastic and you can do really good. Okay. Am I clear till now? Okay. So what my company is actually about, you all know it. We are mainly focused in advisory firm. Okay, we are an advisory firm who provides calls to everyone. We have been doing that for a while, and we even provide free calls to many people. And those who actually like our free calls, they actually come to us and they join us for premium calls and everything. And even if you open an account with us in Allies Blue, you will be getting a free call. Okay, irrespective of whether you pay us or not. Okay, so we have been doing that, and another thing is we are into PMS services. We give PMS services those who have more than 10 lakhs in 10 lakhs capital. And apart from that, we have started a training institute recently. I mean, we have started it around 2 to 3 years back, but it was only physical class. We never used to do webinars and everything. But recently, we have started with our webinars. Okay, so they are around we have literally around 50 to 80 60 students who have joined us recently and are doing really great. Okay, okay. So I will just show you about I will just show my, this is a site, choice option, CHOICEOPTION.in. in this choiceoption.in, you can see everything about the company when we started and everything. Okay, and about the membership, what all we do and what our goal is, everything. Okay, and apart from this, there are in the when you go to the services section over here, you just need to go to services section. Your screen. Is it with everyone? Aren't you able to see my screen? Just say yes or no, because I've shared my screen. Just check. Yeah, we are able to see it. Okay, then that's good. Murthy sir, you just rejoin it so that you'd be able to see it. I guess there's some problem with your end only. Okay, so you can see our website over here. This is our services which we have been providing. Okay, we provide calls in choice, stock options, stock futures, index options, index futures. Okay, and stock MCX. Okay, we have given every details over here for intraday trading. We provide around 1 to 2 calls daily. Risk to reward ratio of 1:3, and we give around 1 month support, and the minimum charges is only 2,000 rupees, as you people already know. Okay, apart from this, there is this Allies Blue link over here. When you go to this services section, there is this logo, Allies Blue's logo over here. If you go to this Allies Blue's logo, you will find an option saying click here to open an account. You just need to go there, click here to open an account, and open an account under Munch. You can see 8985. Okay, you see it over here. You have to confirm that it is 8985, and you have to put your details and everything and submit. And there are certain benefits, okay, when you open an account with us. Okay, and one of the benefit is this tool also, which I'm going to tell you about. So whenever you register over there, we will receive a mail like this. Okay, and you just need to check with us whether we have received the mail or not. Okay, fine. And there are other benefits which I will be sharing you in some time. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'll just jump into our strategy, like what we have actually developed and how it is worked. Okay, and after sometimes when is my screen clear now? Are you able to see? Yeah, yeah. Are you people like how are you feeling like now? Actually, this particular moment is going to change your life. Okay, how you see stock market is going to change everything for you. Okay, and it's one of fantastic thing we have ever developed, and it's working really tremendously well. Okay, it works tremendously well. Okay, and the course we have developed, the course is combined with this particular tool. Okay, so the course which we take, that actually helps you understand this better. Okay, but in this particular webinar, we are only going to talk about this particular system only. Okay, so I will explain you all the remaining things as well. So you can see it over here. The thing is, there is this channel. Voice is getting disturbing. Okay, I guess sir, there's an internet connection problem from your side, Shri sir. Okay, you just check with your connection because everyone else are getting the voice perfectly. Okay, okay then. So you can see it over very clearly. There is this red channel, okay, and a green channel. Okay, whenever this red channel is posted, it means that it is a resistance level. Okay, red stands for resistance, and whenever there is a green stands for support. Okay, that's a simple thing. We don't need to draw any pivot levels or anything. We have mentioned everything over here, and this is what the resistance and the support will be. Yes, sir. Pankaj Agarwal, sir. Yeah, you can use it for Bank Nifty futures as well. You can use it wherever you want to. Even if you are trading with crude oil or zinc or anything, commodity, equity, even forex, you can do it. Okay, you can do it in anything. But this works perfectly well in this particular Nifty, Bank Nifty futures, and our Indian stocks, because we have designed it mostly for Indian stocks only. Okay, So in when we trade with our Indian stocks, then it mostly gives perfect signals because we have tried our best to develop a tool for Indian stocks only. What about Bank Nifty options? Obviously, sir, if it works for Bank Nifty, then obviously it means Bank Nifty options also is good. Understood? Because Bank Nifty option prices are actually derived from spot, right? And it works tremendously well in spot. And if it is working tremendously well in spot, then obviously it means that it will work tremendously well in even the options and futures as well. Which platform you are using, sir? I'm using TradingView platform, sir. I will tell you everything. Okay, you don't need to really worry. There is this platform called TradingView. You just need to type TradingView in your Google, and you will be redirected. I will show it to you, sir. If you don't really know, Maserati, sir. Okay, I will show it to you how to open this trading this tool. Okay. Okay, so you can see it very clearly whenever there is a arrow, and at the same time the price, okay, the candles are forming below this channel. Okay, if the candles are forming just below this red channel, okay, and the candles are a red candles, okay, the candles are red candles, which indicator user, this is a particular this is our personal indicator which we have developed. Okay, this is the trading tool. uh, Prasad sir, accuracy, you are asking about accuracy. You don't need to know any accuracy. You just have a look on everything, and you judge yourself like how accurate it could be. Okay, because I'll be showing you a few more charts, whichever you ask me, and you can see the accuracy over there. Okay, and you tell me in the last like how much accuracy could this have? Because I myself think that this has an accuracy of more than 85%, nearly 80 to 85% it has got accuracy as far as I have seen it. Okay. No, sir, Mahendra, sir, you haven't missed anything. Okay. So whenever these red candles are formed, okay, whenever this red candle starts to form, you have to sell. There is nothing else. You have to sell. Like the this red candle started forming at a price. I will just check the price. I will show you. This is Nifty chart. Okay, as you can see very clearly, and this is on the day. This is on the 1st of July. Okay, you can see it anything whichever you want, but I have personally because it would be most understanding to you because I have actually marked these levels on that particular day, so that's the reason I'm showing it to you. Okay, so whenever this green red candles are, you sell. When the green candles are formed, you buy. That's it. There's no other logic. And when yellow candles are formed, okay, you can see red for sell, green for buy. That's it. And yellow, whenever even if you are into any of the trade and a yellow candle is formed, that it means that you have to exit from the trade. That's it. There's nothing rocket science over here. It's a simple tool which we have developed. Okay, yellow candle means no trade. Red candle means you have to sell. Green candle means you have to buy. Isn't this simple? And when these arrows are formed over here, you can see these arrows, these pyramids. So whenever these things are formed, that means this is choice option tool, sir. You can see the name over here. This is choice option tool. Okay, this is a personal tool. Okay, whenever this red candle starts to form, it works. I have used 5 minutes time frame, sir. Anuj sir, I have used 5 minutes time frame, but you can use it as per your convenience. Like if you trade for intraday, then 5 minutes is really good. And if you trade for positional, you can do end of the trade trading as well. Okay, that is also fine. But my personally I do intraday trading, so I have developed it. I mean, I have put a 5 minute start, and generally people only do intraday. Okay, that is more focused. Okay, okay. No, Mahendra sir, currently you don't have this access to this tool, and I only can do this. Yes, sir, Mukesh sir. That is this simple. What you have to do whenever the red candles are formed, okay, whenever the red candles are formed, you have to sell. Whenever the green candles are formed, you have to buy, and you have to check whether the price. whether there is this arrow, whenever this red arrow is formed, and red candles, red arrow plus red candles. Okay, red arrow plus red candles. Then you have to sell. Green candle with green arrows. You have to buy. Yes, Mahendra Reddy sir, I have everything. Okay, I have my Telegram group. I will just share it to you afterwards. I will tell you everything. How you can get the access to this tool. Okay, I will share everything to you. In yellow zone, some green candles are also forming. Okay, Divyansh Bohra. He's saying that in yellow zone there are certain green candles are also forming. Okay, so whenever you enter a trade, okay, and this yellow zone starts, okay, even single candle, yellow candle is formed, you don't trade, okay, unless and until you don't get next trade, okay. When you get a next trade, you will get a next trade whenever a green candle is formed with a arrow, okay, a green candle is formed with the arrow, and if you when will you get the next sell, when there is red candle with a downside arrow, okay. And when do you exit, okay. So here you can see on this particular level, it is 11:25, 1st of June 2020, okay. uh, no sir, you have to see at candle bottom, yes sir, okay. So this particular at this moment, in this particular moment you can see it very clearly. Green candle started forming, and at the same time there is this arrow which has formed, okay. Once this arrow is formed, then it means that you can actually go with a very good lot, okay. So you can see it over here. If you would have bought around 10,331 minute, I will just check. Yeah. So 10,340, if you have bought, and have put some levels over here. This is target one, which is mentioned at 10,377. It means we have already accumulated around 37 points over here. And when do we exit? If you are very cautious and if you are a scalping person, okay, like I myself is a scalper, so I will exit over here only with taking around 30 points. That is more than enough for a scalper. But a person who expects a big returns, then he can actually wait for the next arrow to form. So whenever this red arrow is formed, we have entered for a buy signal and a red arrow is formed, then it means that we sell over there. We exit our trade over there. Okay, understood? Clear? When the arrow will form, opening of the candle, or okay. It will form whenever that forms. You have to enter the trade. So that is the simple. Okay. Okay. You understood everything. Whenever the yellow candle formed, it means that now it is going to be a consolidation. Okay. Even you can use this particular yellow candles as an advantage, because in my particular course which I take, I teach you a strategy where this consolidation also helps. So whenever these yellow candles are formed, you can go for another one strategy which I have personally developed. Okay. Shrisha Bhatt sir, he's asking for stop loss. Perfect, sir. Stop loss would be if you have entered a buy signal. Okay, you have to put at the bottom of this channel. This is red channel, red line. You can see it over here. That will be a stop loss. Like if you had entered over here, so you would be putting your stop loss at 10,300 and around 30 or 34, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, that's it, sir. Uh, in yellow zone, so in yellow zone there is this red candle is also formed. Yes sir, even if a red candle is formed in yellow zone and there is no arrow, then you should not enter the trade. Okay, you should not enter the trade. You can see it over here. The stop loss is pretty low. The stop loss is only around 10 to 15, at most 20 points, and you can easily have a profit of around 30 points minimum, and obviously more than that. is obviously okay to us, right? Isn't this great? Like I personally have seen, because I do trailing stop loss, I don't put stop loss will hit first or the tool will give sell signal first. Obviously, sir, stop loss won't hit in my tool. Okay, please show in Bank Nifty. Okay, you want me to show you Bank Nifty? I will show it to you. I will show it to you later on, sir. Bank Nifty, I will show it to you in last. Okay. If you have any equity stocks, you just ask me. I will show you equity stocks. Bank Nifty is special, so I will show it to you later. Do you have any equity stocks in your mind? Just post everything. Okay. There are people who have doubts till now. Okay. If you have doubts, then I will ask. I will first clear the doubts. At the end of the day, there is a red arrow, and price has come towards the ban. Yes, sir. Whenever the red arrow is formed, you have to exit. That is our. You will book your profits. Okay. Like in this case, you can see it over here. Okay. In this, you can see it over here. Whenever the red candle is formed, you have to sell. Exit the trade. Okay. Understood? Yeah. Okay. People are asking many questions. Okay. There are many stocks which people are want me to ask. Okay. I will just see. Yeah. People are asking Adani Ports. Okay. Adani Ports. Adani Ports. I'll check Adani Ports. Adani Ports. Yeah. You can see Adani Ports over here. Adani Ports. Okay. The green candle started forming over here. Right. And it starts walking. Okay. Once this happens, you can see how great profit you would have made. And here you can see at this point you enter the it shows you earlier only that now the trend is going to change. Okay, you can see Adani Ports. Whoever asked Adani Ports, you can see. Okay, someone is asking Bharti Airtel. Okay, Bharti Airtel, I will show it to you. Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel. 1 minute. Yeah, Bharti Airtel. Okay, people are asking Bharti Airtel. Yeah, you can see it on this particular day. There were okay. There were two trades on this particular day. There were two trades. Okay, you can see it over here. The price went up when this first signal was done. Like I will show you too. Like what was the price exactly? You received this at 562. Okay, and at 562. And when did you? When were you asked to enter the exit the trade? It is at 573. So 562 on 573, it is almost 10 points, and it is very difficult for anyone to book 10 points in intraday. But still, our strategy has developed it, and we are able to do that. And whenever these pyramids are formed, you can see these pyramids. It means that it's going to be a stronger trend. Okay, it is going to be a stronger trend. Understood? Okay, we will take one more. We will take few more. Okay, we will. Okay, someone is asking Grasim. Why Grasim? They want to test my tool. So yeah, yeah, asking such thing. Grasim Industries. Okay. Yeah, Grasim. Yeah, perfect, sir. Grasim. Yeah, you can see Grasim gave a green signal and momentum over here, and it was really good. Okay, Grasim, even Grasim also. That's perfect. Okay, someone is asking Hero Motocorp. Okay, Hero. I will just check whether it works. Hero Motocorp. Yeah, then people are asking many. Okay, so I want to check everything. Fine. So I will check as many as I possible. I've already checked 4 to 5 now. So here you can see a green signal, a green started forming, and you enter the trade over here. Okay, and you exit over here. You can see around it started at 2664 and it 2664 around 50 points. Sir. That is perfect. Okay, that is perfect. And okay, I will take one more last. Okay, I will take one more last. I will take one more. Okay. People are asking SBI life insurance. Perfect, sir. SBI life. I will check SBI life. SBI life insurance. Yeah. Okay. Reliance also. Okay. I will check Reliance as well. Okay. For you people, I will check Reliance also. Okay. See, Reliance, SBI. Okay. SBI gave perfect. And even in my course, I actually teach you like what stocks you should pick for the next day, which are going to perform really well. Okay. Even that will help you tremendously. Okay. I will show you how to pick stocks for next day. I teach you many things over there. In the next few minutes. I will teach you like what all things you should consider. Okay, what all things. So yeah, SBI Life is perfect. It has till now almost all the stocks which you people have asked and which are have worked perfect. Okay, Reliance I will check. Reliance. Okay, what's the problem? Reliance. Yeah, Reliance Industries. Okay, Reliance Industries. Yeah. Okay. Reliance Industry was a sideways market, but at the end of the day, you can see it over here. It didn't hit a stop loss, okay, but it didn't. We could have, you see, and we entered over here and we exited at the same place in the earlier morning. But in the afternoon, when you check afternoon, yes, sir, Pankaj sir, you can do BTST as well, okay. So you can see it over here. When you entered over here, you could have booked at least uh, 6 to 10 points here over here. Pankaj sir, I teach that in my course. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, people are asking Apollo. Apollo, why Apollo? Apollo, Apollo, Apollo. Yeah, even Apollo in the last few minutes, you can see it over here. Yeah, it worked really good. Yeah, you got a signal over here and booked some profit over here, and again you could have entered at this point. Okay, okay, that's it. I've already taken around 10 to 12 charts. Okay, so now I will go with Bank Nifty as some people asked for Bank Nifty. Okay, you can see it over here in Bank Nifty. So how many points do you expect in Bank Nifty? You can see. Okay, in Bank Nifty you can see how many good points. It gave you around. You could have exited at this green line which we have drawn over here. Okay, that's the level which we tell you minimum 100 points. Yeah, it has given more than 100 points, sir. Okay, perfect, sir. So that's it. Okay, I've taken almost more than 50. I mean, more than 15 charts for you people. Okay, so now I will just tell you like how you can actually take this tool. Okay, how you can take this tool. Are you people ready to know how you can take this tool? How you can get the access to this tool? Yeah. Okay, so the key first thing is you have to open an Allies Blue account with us. Okay, and apart from that, we have these two courses which we have developed, and in these courses there are much greater things than our tool. Okay, our tool is perfectly good, and we teach you tremendous strategies in the our courses over here. So our courses is diamond membership and double diamond membership. You have to take our membership, okay, which will cost you around 4,999 rupees, okay, which is very minimal. People are taking around 50,000, 60,000 for nothing, okay. What I have one of my student who came to me, he paid 60,000 rupees to some people, okay. I don't want to take their name, but what did they teach you? You know, they taught him confluence that if RSI and Super Trend both are saying buy, then you buy. They taught him that for 60,000 rupees. Okay, that's it. I mean, like, I don't understand why these people cheat. Okay, So it's okay, but we will be providing you pure gold over here. Okay. So there is this two memberships which we provide. One is diamond membership and another one is double diamond membership. So in diamond membership, we teach you basics to advance, even in case you don't know anything about stock market. Recently, there was a student who even didn't know how a candle is formed. He didn't even know that, and now he knows everything. Okay, I will be. And one more thing, you just save my number if you haven't saved my number. Okay, everyone, just save my number now. Write it down somewhere. Okay, so my number is 9503139 578. You can see it over here. Okay, 9503139 578. You have to save my number, and I post everything. I mean, I put status. You just check my status. Okay, okay. You just check my number, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me over there. You have to save my number, and I will put messages over here. Okay. Yeah. So in diamond membership, I take basics to advance of stock market. Okay. And I teach you technical analysis, how to do technical analysis. And I teach you price action patterns. There are around 15 strong patterns and around 20 patterns which works tremendously well. Okay. So I teach you all those patterns which have been a bread and butter for myself in this past years. Okay. And you can do the same thing. So, and apart from this, all these teachings and everything, I take around 1 month, 24 into 7 follow up. If you even have any doubt, okay, I will catch with you and I will share. I mean, if you have any doubt, I solve it in the group and everything. Okay, we have even discussion groups as well where you can discuss among yourself like what exactly was today's market and everything. And I if find anything incorrect which you people are going into, and I clear your doubts and everything like why market actually went up down or anything you want to know. Okay, and apart from this, you will be given this tool, choice option trading tool for free. Okay, this is the only way you can get this tool. Okay, you have to subscribe to diamond membership. Okay, you have to subscribe to diamond membership, and apart from all these things which I told you, that is basics set to advanced stock market technical analysis and everything. Okay, yeah, okay, apart from all these things, you will be getting our choice option trading tool for free. Okay, okay, and when you really perform great, okay, so we you can also take double diamond membership, but only thing is you have to be a diamond membership first and then only you will be a double diamond membership. Okay, you can take double diamond membership. Apart from this particular tool, we teach you BTST, okay, swing trading techniques, trading weekly options, option hedging strategies, and there are 2 to 3 more tools which we have developed. Those tools will also be given to you free of cost. You don't need to pay anything to us. Clear, everyone? Okay, and you have to open an account. Okay, if you already have an account with us, then that is perfectly good. Okay, and how do you open an account? You just need to go to choice options over here, and you have to go to choice option, click here to open an account, and then you get your account. So whenever you open an account with us, okay, apart from what I have already told you, these are few benefits which you going to get. You will get a lifetime free premium tips. Okay, you will get lifetime free premium tips, all segments, Nifty and Bank Nifty futures options, at least 2 to 4 calls daily. Okay, and there would be MCX calls with gold and crude, 2 calls every day. And I've already shared the link to you. There is this link here as well. You can find it in my Telegram group also. And and if you need any help like how to open an account with us, okay, You can directly contact us. You WhatsApp us. You mail us the PAN card number, date of birth, and everything, whatever the details are required, and we will help you in registering Allies Blue. Okay, you understood what all everything is required to open an account with us, and apart from this, how can you get an access to our tool? You got that, every one of you. Brokerage over here is very less, sir. Okay, please show true. Okay, understood, everyone. So, how many people are here who really have understood this particular tool and are very excited to join us? Just tell me first. Okay, there is this simple thing. You have to learn, you have to put some efforts, and everything is okay, everyone. Yeah, many people are there who are interested. Perfect, sir. That is perfect. I'm really over. That's a overwhelming response which I have got. Okay, understood, everyone. Yeah. How long is the course for, and is the tool access lifetime? Yes, sir. Amit, sir, for now, okay, for now, those people who register us now, okay, they will have this tool access for a long time. That is lifetime, okay. And but we are thinking of rechanging this structure to only monthly basis. Like, if you want this tool, I will be giving it to you only monthly basis, okay. But for now, we haven't restructured our policies. But in future, we might. So please register my course as soon as possible. Okay, understood. And I have already. There is this Telegram group. Okay, there is this Telegram group which I will be brought. You save all my numbers. Everyone save my numbers. I'll be putting a Telegram group link in your message box in WhatsApp. You join that group. From tomorrow onwards, we will be putting the live performance of our tool. Okay, and you can check for next 2 to 3 days very easily. Duration, sir, it is going to be 1 month, 1 month support, sir, 1 month clear. Okay. And if you want double diamond membership, okay, then you have to perform really good. Okay, only those people who have performed really good are eligible for double diamond. Okay. In case you have any doubt, you can directly contact me on WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, no class is it? What's a no class, Ravi sir? There is yes sir, there is class. There will be there will be around 12 hours of teaching. Okay, there will no, it's not only support. There will be 12 hours of teaching. Okay, everyone understood? There will be 12 hours of teaching. Okay, I will be teaching you for 12 hours. It's a 12 hours course, and apart from that, there will be 1 month support. You will be getting this tool for free. Okay, understand everyone? Okay, perfect, sir. Yeah. Okay, then everyone. Okay, then now what I will be now we will turn to since we have 15 minutes left. Uh, yes, Abhishek, sir. We teach from basics to advanced everything. In first like 1 to 2, in case there are people who don't really know anything. Okay, like there are people who don't really know anything about stock market, so we take a special class for those people and we give a brief of basics everything. But in the pure class which I am talking about, in those class we teach advanced things. Okay, everything. Okay, those people they are my students also over here. So sir, you put I will tell you if you have any doubt, I will tell you in the group. Okay, it will be an online class, sir. Srinivasa, it's going to be an online class, but in future, obviously, we are thinking to conduct offline class as well. But now, for now, since this in Corona thing, everything is not going perfectly, so it's going to be difficult for a classroom thing. Okay, what will be the timing for the course? Is it early morning or evening? Amit sir, it's most probably if in the weekdays, then it will be evening only. Okay, and there are certain batches that is comes under first come first serve. Whoever comes first, they'll be given the first slot. Okay, those people will be considered first. Okay, they can have their preferences like yeah, early morning or evening. Okay, they can have the preferences, and those who come last, if the slots are already full, then they won't really have any preferences. Okay, so that's the reason. If you that's the reason you have to register a course as fast as possible. Okay, everyone. Okay, then. So now I will be teaching you a long term strategy, like how you can perform really good in long term. Okay, so this is Nifty ETFs. Have you people ever heard of Nifty ETFs? Is TradingView chart is paid? So no, sir, you don't need to pay anything to TradingView. TradingView is free for everyone. After the two, so, for now, sir, there is no cost. Srinivasan, sir, you don't need to pay anything monthly basis. One time you take my course, you will have you will have this tool for lifetime. But only if you register in this coming days, because we are thinking of restructuring our policies. Okay, if you register a course in coming days, then only it will be free for you for lifetime, but not everyone. Understood? Okay. So every one of you, do you people know about Nifty ETFs? Because here I will be teaching you, I mean, telling you about one of the key strategy which I myself is also following for a while. Okay, no, you don't know Nifty ETFs. Actually, Nifty ETFs are Nifty only because it is always safer to invest in Nifty. This is an investment strategy which I am going to tell you. Okay, what you have to do is you have to look for Nifty. Okay, there are certain Nifties which are handled by ICICI, SBI. You just need to go to a Nifty which is closer to around 100 to 200 rupees, like SBI. Nifty SBI, you can see. I will just tell you what's the current price of Nifty SBI. Okay, SBI Nifty. Okay, so SBI Nifty is around 100 rupees now. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to buy on every dips. If there is a red candle formed, then you have to buy on that particular day. Whenever a red candle is formed, you have to buy. Like in case, okay, in case you have 10,000 rupees to invest in stock market, divide by 20. 10,000 divided by 20, how much it is? Everyone tell me, just calculate and let me know. Because this is one of the best strategy for long term basis if you are not very eager, but if you have amounts which you can put in stock market. Okay, yeah, 500 rupees if you are interested. This is one of the best strategy which I have been following for last 10 years, and now I'm passing it to you people also. This is really good, it works tremendously well. I will tell you everything. Okay, so 500 rupees. So one stock is for 90 rupees and you have 500 rupees, so almost it is nearly you can buy around 5 to 6, 9 6, no, you won't buy 6. So yeah, you can buy 5 stocks daily. Okay, you have to buy minimum. Okay, let it be 6 because every time you don't get reds, right? So make it 6. Okay, so if you are in if you think of investing 10,000 every month, okay, you have to buy 6 of this SBI Nifty index fund. Okay, 6 of the stocks whenever a red candle is formed. Plain and simple. Okay, whenever a red candle is formed, I will just show it to you. I will just uh, SBI Nifty. SBI Nifty. No, in trading view you don't get it. Okay, no problem. Uh, I will just wait for a minute. I will just log into my Zerodha account. Because Zerodha is simple, so that's the only reason I'm taking it. You okay? Because many people are already know about Zerodha and everything. 1 minute, I will just open it and I will show you the chart. Yeah, SBI ETFs. Fine. Okay, 1 minute, no sharing screen. Okay, wait. Is my screen visible to you people now? No, I guess there's some problem. Yeah, now is this visible? Uh, yeah, Set Nifty. So like this is one of the ETFs. Okay, you can choose your own ETF whichever you like. So what you have to do is whenever there is a red candle formed, you have to buy. Like this red candle is formed, so obviously it is closed around 267. So you have to buy. Simple. You don't need to do anything. Okay. It's like obviously SBI Nifty, you will get it around 90 rupees. So you buy whenever there is a red candle, you have to buy. Okay. When do you buy? At 3:15. There is no time frame, sir. There is nothing. In daily time frame, you open a daily time frame candle at every day 3:15. You open the stock market chart. You just check whether the red candle is formed or a green candle is formed. If the red candle is formed, then you have to buy at whatever price it is trading at that moment. Okay, like 6 stocks daily. Whenever red candle is formed, you buy. Whenever red candle is formed, you buy. That's it. You have to do it daily. Okay, and okay, so when you do it daily, when it is around you have to do it minimum 3 years. For 3 years, so as per my particular my personal like experience, I was able to get my money doubled in 2 years. Okay, like I if I start investing 10,000 rupees, so how much is 10,000 rupees? 10,000 into 1 year. Okay, in 2 years, how much? 10,000 into 24, how much it is? 2,40,000, right? So the minimum returns you will be getting is around in 2 to 3 years, you will be able to double your money. That's it. It's a simple strategy. And using my 72 divided by X, you would be able to double your investment every 3 years minimum. Every 3 years, you will start to, okay, understood. And if you don't do this, if you have a good amount like 10 lakhs rupees, so if you have a 10 lakhs rupees, you start initially, and if you are able to double the amount every 3 years, so how much you can make in 30 years? Just tell me. Can anyone calculate and let me know? Means on green day we won't buy. Yes, sir. On green day you won't buy. You will buy only on. Yes, sir. It's not mutual fund. It's ETFs. Nifty ETFs. It's not mutual fund, sir. Compound calculator. I will just show it to you. Like in 30 years, how much you can make if you are able to double every 3 years. Do you have any idea? Can anyone just calculate? Yeah, Arun sir says, okay, that's perfect. For this, I have to subscribe your. Which sir? This particular tool? No, sir, you don't need to subscribe me. This is a free thing which I am sharing it to you. You can find it anywhere. You don't need to subscribe. People are like, Which Nifty ETF is good? Sir, I personally invest in SBI Nifty. Okay, you can see the initial, if I have an initial capital of 10 lakh rupees, okay, and for next 30 years, like the returns would be, if you are even able to generate around 24%, okay, that is more than enough for 30 years if you are able to do it, okay. Only, yeah, buy only on red candles, right? Yeah, simple, sir. So you can see it, 1 10 100. It's almost 100 crores. Okay, in 30 years, you would be able to make more than 100 crores. Okay, it's a simple thing you can do. Okay, you can backtest it. It works tremendously well. I have been doing this for last 10 years, and I have accumulated very good amount of money now. And I will be doing this for next till I get 60. Like my retirement age, I'll be sitting with a corpse of minimum 100 crores at least, because I started with 10 lakhs. You can check it on any broker, sir. Even if you have LIS Blue account, then that is good. I put an initial amount of 10 lakhs, and I am sure that I'm going to be sitting with a corpse of around 100 crores minimum when in my retirement time. 10 lakhs capital, sir, just divided by number of days. That's it. In each month, you get 20 days. So, in 20 days, at least there would be 12 to 14 days where red candles might form. Probability is that. So, 14 into 12. So, whatever the sum comes, you divide it by 10 lakhs and you start investing. That's it. It's a simple thing to do. Okay. So, everyone, like my session, if you like my session, then give me a review, like how much did you like. And our session ends now. Okay, I've told you about my tool which I have developed. Okay, if you want that tool, you just need to open an account with us. Okay, you just need to open an account and you have to subscribe to membership. You take my membership. Once you take my membership, I'll be teaching you everything. There will be a 12 hours classes. Okay, once those 12 hours classes are done, okay, you will learn lot of things. You will learn minimum 20 strategies. Okay, Abhishek Hede sir says it's not realistic, sir. It's not realistic if that is 1,000 rupees. If you start investing 1,000 rupees, you won't get 100 crores. But I personally have 10 lakh rupees, okay, which I around 10 years back. I can expect that amount, sir. Okay, okay then. Okay, so what all things you have to do? You have to open an account with us. You have to subscribe to a membership. Once you subscribe to a membership, okay, you have already, okay, those people who already have an account with us, they just need to uh, buy a membership. Once you buy a membership, okay, there would be around 10 or 12 hours of courses, okay, where you will learn minimum 20 strategies at least. Okay, you will learn all these strategies, and I will teach money management, position sizing, how to handle your psychology. Okay, yeah, Somal Shah sir, yeah, I will be putting this on YouTube, so you can subscribe to my channel and you can see it over here, this particular recording. Okay, okay, so everyone, everything, okay, thank you so much. Okay, thanks for being such a great crowd. So if you have any doubt, obviously there is my number. Okay, 9503139578. You can contact me directly over there, and you will be helped. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, Vibhuti Mishra. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, great class. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. PP sir, you just need to, I mean, uh, join my Telegram group. You will have this real time performance of my tool if you want that. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Okay, you just need to, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp. Okay, you just text me over there. Okay, so don't directly call, you text me over there and I will reply because I get around 10 to 20 calls daily and I am not able to handle all the calls. Okay, okay, then thank you so much. Let's wrap this session. Have a great day from tomorrow. All the best for your trading. Okay, and wish me also. Okay, I'm a full-time trader. I just love trading. Okay, and I hope you will also learn and love trading in next few days and next few years. Okay, bye everyone. Have a great day. Thank you so much for being such a great crowd.